area and perimeter of a square. So today we're going to learn about how to find the perimeter and area of a square. We're going to start off first of all with a perimeter and what basically that means. So a perimeter is the distance around a shape. Now when we mean distance, it doesn't mean the whole place like this. We could literally go right around the shape like that. That's not the perimeter. What we mean is the shortest distance around a shape, which basically means if you imagine this red square here as being a football field or your garden, okay, the shortest distance around the shape would basically be following right around the shape on that line. Just imagine walking right around the edge of your garden. So that is the perimeter, the shortest distance around a shape. Now, how do you tend to measure this, the perimeter? Is we tend to use units of length. Okay, so centimeters, inches, or miles, or even meters, just different units of length. So, for instance, you wouldn't just write 10 when talking about the perimeter of a shape. You would say 10 centimeters, and it is very important that you remember to include the units of length when talking about perimeter. Now this shape here has got sides that are the length of 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 5 centimeters that side and 10 centimeters that side. So in order to find the perimeter, all we have to do is add up all the sides of the shape. So this is nice and simple. All we have to do is do 10, add 10, which gives us 20, add 5, which gives us 25 centimeters, and add 5, which gives us 30 centimeters. So we would say the perimeter of this shape is 30 centimeters. Sometimes you might end up having a shape which only shows you the length of two of the sides. So this side here is 6 centimeters and this side is 5 centimeters. Well, we know it's a regular polygon, it's a quadrilateral, so we will know straight away that this side will also be 6 centimeters and this side is also 5 centimeters. So again, all we have to do is add up the different lengths. So we have 5, add 5, which is 10 centimeters. Then we add on 10 centimeters, add 6, which is 16. We add on another 6, which will give us 22 centimeters. So the perimeter, or the distance around this shape, is 22 centimeters. What I would like you to do now is have a go with these two different shapes. Can you calculate the perimeter of these two shapes? Okay, have a go with them and then come back and see whether or not your answer matches mine. Okay, 3, 2, 1, pause. Welcome back, hope you've had a go. So this is how I managed to work out these perimeters. We did 12 add 12, which gave us 24. Then we did 9 add 9, which gave us 18 centimeters. Then we added these two answers together over here, and we got the answer 42 centimeters. For the shape here, we only had these two lengths, but we know because it's a regular polygon, this side here is also 24 centimeters, and this side here is also 7 centimeters. So again, we added those numbers all together and we ended up with 62 centimeters. Area. Well, what is area? Area is the surface or space inside a 2D polygon. So all the space inside this shape. Area is measured in the following units: centimeters squared, meter squared, miles squared, and so on. We are using units of length. How exactly do we find the area? Well, we have to use a very simple formula. And this is the formula. We have area is equal to the length of the shape multiplied by the width. Otherwise known as A equals L times W. What is the length and what is the width? Well, here we've got a 2D shape. This could be the width and this is the length. And all you have to do is multiply the two together. Alright, so let's have a look at a quick example. Here we have a 2D shape. the width is 5 centimeters and the length is 4 centimeters. And all we're going to do, if you remember the formula, is that the area equals the width times the length. So we will do 5 times 4, which we know will give us 20. So the area of this shape is 20 centimeters. Alright, because the length is measured and the width are measured in centimeters, the area is 20 centimeters squared. And we write it like that. Have a go with these two shapes and see if you can find the area of these shapes. And then come back and see whether or not you got the same answer as me. Ready? 3, 2, 1, pause! Alright then, we're back. So, which means you've had a go, hopefully, and hopefully you've also got the same answers as I do here. So, for this 2D shape here, we did the area and we did the length times the width. So we had 12 centimeters multiplied by 3, which gave us the answers 36 centimeter squared. Now for this 2D shape down here, we know the area here, the length here, sorry, is 2 meters. And we're multiplying that by the width, which is 15 meters, as seen down here. And we know that the area, therefore, is 30 meters squared. Give yourself a massive pat on the back if you did that. If you still don't understand how to find the area or the perimeter, or even know what they are, remember, rewind the video and watch it again. Good luck!